Hello friends. So let's read a book today about jungle animals. The book is called Rumble in the Jungle by Jill Entry and David. Can you guess what pattern this is? I think yes, this is zebra pattern. What's interesting here? How many small birds on the branch? 1, 2, 3. Rumble in the jungle. So let's get started. There is a rumble in the jungle. There is a whisper in the trees. The animals are waking up and rustling the leaves. So it's morning. You see the sun is out. The animals are waking up. Which animal do you spot in the leaves? There is a gorilla here. There is a monkey. There's also a snake I can see. And whose long neck is this? I see this is the neck of a giraffe. And whose tail can you spot behind the trees? I spot the tail of a zebra. And whose pointy teeth can you see? I see the pointy teeth of a crocodile. And that is a paw of a striped tiger. The hippo is at the water hole. The leopards is in the lair. The chimpanzees are chattering and swinging everywhere. Some animals are frightening and some are sweet and kind. So let's go to the jungle and see who we can find. What do you think this is? This is the ant hill. See, there is a series of ants. They are munching and then they are going to their house. This is ant hill, their house. They store their food there. So this is the first animal in the jungle, chimpanzee. It's great to be a chimpanzee, swinging through the trees. And if we don't find nuts to eat, we munch each other's fleas. So what do you see here? You see the mama chimpanzee with the baby chimpanzee. What do you think she's doing? Is she caring for the little one? Or is she munching on its fleas? Here you see the papa chimpanzee, the uncle chimpanzee, the sister chimpanzee and the brother chimpanzee. So the family is having fun swinging through the trees. Lion, Gora. The lion is the king of the jungle. Just listen how loudly he roars. Roar! Every animal quivers and shudders and shivers as soon as he opens his jaws. Are you frightened? No, you shouldn't be. The lion is in the jungle. Not near to you. But see how ferocious and how good he looks with his sharp pointed teeth. This one is frightened of it. We see the elephant. It's great to be an elephant, all big and fat and round, and wander through the jungle just elephing around. So the elephant has a long trunk and big ears, and these are its white, nice teeth. Do you like the elephant? How glorious he walks through the jungle. Can you spot little ants here? Little ants going over the floor. Did you notice a small ant on the tail of the lion here? Okay, let's see the next animal. Zebra. It has a pattern of stripes, black and white stripes on his body. I could have been grey like a donkey or brown like my cousin the mole. But instead I have got stripes, which my lady friend likes, and they make me look handsome and cool. Isn't he really handsome and cool, the zebra? Now we see the snake. The boa constrictor is a slippery snake who slithers and slides round his tree. And when tasty animals wander too close, he squashes them slowly for tea. How does the snake do? And we have the giraffe. Some animals laugh at the gaggly giraffe, but I hold my head up and feel proud. I really don't care when my head is in the air and my cheeks getting kissed by a cloud. So he has such a long leg, but he holds his head high in the sky. Isn't he beautiful? Okay, now we see the hippopotamus. Hello, I am a big happy hippo. I sleep in the sun to get hot, and when I am not sleeping, I mooch in the mud, which hippos like doing a lot. So he is relaxing in the mud. And here comes the crocodile. When animals come to the river to drink, I watch for a minute or two. It's such a delight to behold such a sight that I can't resist chomping a few. Do you think he will eat the froggy here? The froggy is running away to save himself. But yes, he does chomp a bit of the animals. Rhinocerosus. The ravenous rhino is big, strong and tough. But his skin is all baggy and flappy, which means that there is plenty of room for his lunch. And that makes him terribly happy. So he eats a lot, see? Such a big stomach he has. And he has this horn here. He looks like an elephant, but he does not have the long trunk and the big ears. He has small ears and the horn here. Gazelle. No one can run half as quickly as me. The galloping, gorgeous gazelle. I can leap up so high that my horns touch the sky. And I'm awfully pretty as well, isn't she? She's so pretty, the gazelle, and she hops and runs very fast in the jungle. The gorilla. The gorilla is big, black and hairy. And the thing that he likes to do best is to look all ferocious and scary and wall up his giant great chest. So here the baby and the daddy gorilla, they are dancing. They're having so much fun. Here comes our favorite leopard and tiger. So what patterns do you see here? So the leopard is all spotty and the tiger has stripes. Leopard. If you meet a hungry leopard prowling through the night, make sure you call him sir and be incredibly polite. And the tiger. Beware of the terrible tiger. You don't always know when he is near, but his eyes shine like lights through the blackest of nights, and his growl makes you tremble with fear. Can you do the tiger growl with me? Isn't he ferocious? Now it's night time in the jungle. All the animals are going to sleep. You see, the monkeys are sleeping here. These are the cubs of the lion. They are sleeping in their den. The night has started falling, but not the whole jungle sleeps. The vultures are circling slowly while the leopard slowly creeps. And if you listen quietly, you must hear the growl of a hungry pair of panthers who are still out on the prowl. The lions and their little cubs are sleeping in their den, so let's leave them till tomorrow and we'll visit them again. Good night, animals. Bye bye. See you soon.